Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One View, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So to get started, let's power off the device by holding the power key. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and a volume down, both of them at the same time. And from here, using both volume keys, you want to select recovery mode as it is right now and press power key. Then you should see Android with no command, as it's gonna be visible right now. So to get past this, hold power key, press volume up once, and you're now in the recovery mode. And in here, again, you will use volume keys to navigate. So we have reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, which we just came from there. Apply updates from either a DB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view recovery logs, run a graphic test, run local tests, and simply power off the device. Now whatever you select, to confirm it, you will then use power key. So because I want to leave this mode, I'm going to select reboot system now, and then press power key to confirm it. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.